Усім привітання, з вами знову Михась Гриза. І зараз ми будемо забивати Салазара. Забивати ми його будемо за якісь меди. Так, це повинна бути яна.
Ada.
Дам. Самого Салазара не видать.
Thinks he's gonna lure me out.
Почекайте.
Stay here. I won't be long.
Я буду недолго. Добре.
Ada!
Ей, да.
Sadler! To become one with us. You require absolution. Such blasphemous desecration, such unforgivable heresy. Yet, is it not the sinner who is in most need of salvation?
Ну і чому ти одразу так не поміряв? Дивная гульня.
I'm getting sick of your shit.
Не живи, тут ему ракетницы помирают, там не помирают. Что?
Finally, a look that suits you, Sadler. A monster in and out. Still, I need to cut this date short. It's not me. It's you.
Use this!
Не, так-то бойка не складаная была, але нечто дивное здарилося.
Ada, what the hell are you doing?
Nothing personal, Leon. Luis and I had an arrangement. Don't worry, I'll take good care of it. Ride's here. You coming?
I think we both know this is where we go our separate ways.
I see. Better get a move on.
Cute.
Прихожий Мишка. Милый.
Until next time, Leon.
Until next time.
Leon! Where's she going?
Who knows?
I don't understand. Why would she just...
We gotta move. Island's gonna blow.
It's gonna what?
Yeah.
That's gonna blow. That's gonna what? Можно не заховывать, ничего складного.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Yeah. Now we can go home.
We're not out of here yet.
Thanks. They're not attacking. What's going on?
They're nothing now the Master's gone. It's over for them.
Блин, тут немає сенсу заховуватися, бо тут тільки бойка з Седлером, яка проходиться на ізі.
Not bad. You like thrill rides?
Ну блін, ну чому так? Чому тут сміття всяке лежить, ну? Я в этом смітті помираю. Не, коли-небудь я пройду, это не подходит. Але не сегодня.
You alright?
I'm not sure that was insane. Mission accomplished, right?
Може, ён і тады паміраў? Але мне здавалося, що заставка повинна була одразу бути.
Thank you for saving me.
Але ён должен был сесть у землю и тады только помирать.
I could put in word with my dad. Have you assigned to my detail, if you're interested.
You don't
Я замацуюсь, напевно,
Do what you
поспробую.
could handle yourself. Even if you could use a lesson in knife safety. Come on. Let's go home.
Condor 1? Roost to Condor 1, do you read me? Come in. I said come in. Is this thing even on? Leon! Leon, are you and Ashley all right? Where are you? Come on!
Кабон. Так, чітки мені не потрібні, напевно. Це не цікаво. Бо я їх уже не споглядів. Хопить. Это не титры. А детишек першими съели.
Patch me through.
Watch me through.
I've obtained the amber.
Excellent.
Just one question. What are you planning to do with this?
I do not pay you to ask questions. All you need to know is a new dawn is breaking. 100 will give their lives so that just one may live. I am expediting that change.
So, we're talking millions of casualties.
Billion.
Billions.
How ambitious?
Биллионы. Биллионы миллионов.
We're changing course now.
Да, песенка цудовна. Можна я послухаю це? Треба послухати. Та-та-та-та. Не хотел титры глядеть, але песня такая цудовная.
I remember
us apart, but I've been moving on. Can't be still for long, 'cause it's the only way.
Yeah.
Never ache for a place called home. Can't hold on so tight, gotta let it all go. I have a purpose, it's all that I need to help me find
Тільки поспробуйте мені дати зараз магнум.
Keep your eyes on the road ahead. Don't be drawn into the light or the shadows in your head. Keep your eyes on the road ahead and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back, 'cause I got a feeling in my bones that everything's gonna be fine. Yeah. Don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. I fought a war and I learned how to win. But how do you fight when the enemy's within? Find your pride, go deeper inside for the fire that will light your way. The ones you trust can one day betray. You're the hunter and then you're the prey. You pay the cost, it all feels lost. Then you hear a voice inside you say, keep your eyes on the road ahead. Don't be drawn into the light or the shadows in your head. Keep your eyes on the road ahead and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. Keep your eyes on the road ahead. Don't be drawn into the light or the shadows in your head. Keep your eyes on the road ahead and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back, 'cause I got a feeling in my bones that everything's gonna be fine. Yeah. Don't ever look back. Don't ever look back.
Як це було чудовно. Ну що, далі я скіпаю. Так? Так. Бінго. Ну, 26 годин усього. Так. Зараз я зроблю хутенько скріншот.